Hey everyone! Today I'm making homemade Chinese buns with a juicy bacon and beef filling. We'll use the same filling in 3 ways: steamed, pan-fried, and stir-fried with cabbage. Let's start with the dough. Mix warm water with instant yeast and a small pinch of baking powder. Let it dissolve in a large bowl. Add 1000 grams of flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Pour in the yeast water and mix into a dough. Knead until smooth about 10 minutes. Then cover and let it rise for 90 minutes. Or until it doubles in size. Now, the filling. Soak 1 tablespoon of black pepper in hot water for 20 minutes. Strain it, then add 1 beef stock cube and In a pan, fry chopped bacon with minced ginger and garlic until fragrant. Then add diced celery and stir-fry for 1 minute. Let it cool in a bowl. Mix 500 grams ground beef with the cooled bacon and celery. Add spring onions. Five spice, 13 spice. Oyster sauce, soy sauce. Dark soy sauce, sugar. Cooking wine and sesame oil. Slowly pour in the pepper broth in 3 batches. Stir in one direction until the filling gets sticky and well combined. Now shape your buns. I made round ones for steaming and pan frying. Let's cook them. For steamed buns, place them in a steamer and steam for 25 minutes after the water boils. They'll come out soft and fluffy. For pan-fried buns, add oil to a pan. Place the buns in. Then add water until it reaches halfway up the buns. Cover and cook on medium-low for about 15–20 minutes. Got leftover filling? Just stir-fry it quickly, then add thinly sliced sweetheart cabbage. A splash of light soy sauce and a pinch of pepper, and you've got a tasty side dish. Until the water evaporates and the bottoms are golden and crispy. And here they are, steamed buns, crispy bottom pan-fried buns, and a delicious cabbage stir-fry. All from one simple filling. This is one of my favorite ways to meal prep: tasty, flexible, and super satisfying. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home-style Chinese cooking. See you next time.